Let's take a quick tour of each of the natural divisions. The Wisconsin Driftless Division is part of a larger region that extends into Wisconsin, Iowa, and Minnesota. It has rugged terrain because it has not been covered by glaciers. The rolling hills and wooded ridges include the highest elevation in Illinois at 1,257 feet above sea level. With the coldest climate in the state, many of the organisms that live here are typical of areas found further north in the United States. An unusual feature of this natural division is the algific slopes. They exist on north-facing rocky slopes that retain ice underground for most of the year. When the air temperature is 90 degrees Fahrenheit, the surface temperature of an algific slope may be 42 degrees. The Rock River Hill Country Division includes the Rock River watershed in northwestern Illinois. Its low hills once supported prairies on the uplands and woodlands along the streams. Sandstone outcrops along the Rock River provide habitat for distinct plant species. This area was covered by glaciers. The Northeastern Morainal Division near Lake Michigan includes beach sands, dunes, sedge marshes, and peatlands. Peatlands have acidic conditions created by lack of drainage and buildup of layers of peat. These wetlands support unusual plants like the pitcher plant and tamarack. Landforms in this division are the result of debris left by melting glaciers. The largest natural division in Illinois is the Grand Prairie Division. Approximately one-third of what is now Illinois was originally covered with tallgrass prairie. Because it was glaciated, the Grand Prairie has flat landscapes, silt, soil, and poor natural drainage. Today, prairie communities are among the rarest in Illinois. Most of this land has been converted to agricultural use. Rivers, bottomlands, and backwater lakes of much of the Mississippi and the Illinois rivers are included in the Upper Mississippi River and Illinois River Bottomlands Division. The broad floodplains and gravel terraces of this region are covered with forests, prairies, rivers, lakes, and oxbow lakes. Most of the area was glaciated. The Illinois River and Mississippi River Sand Areas Division consists of the sand deposits left by the runoff from melting glaciers. These areas exist along the Illinois and Mississippi rivers and the dunes on bluffs in Joe Daviess County. Dry sand prairie, dunes, and scrub oak forests are the main communities. Some plants and animals found here more typically dwell in the shortgrass prairies west of Illinois. The glacial plain of the Western Forest Prairie Division historically had prairies on the flat uplands and forests elsewhere. Rock outcrops of sandstone, limestone, and shale are common in some areas. This division has a good natural drainage system. The narrow band of river bluffs, limestone cliffs, and rugged terrain of the Middle Mississippi Border Division can be found along the floodplains of the Mississippi and lower Illinois rivers. Limestone cliffs and outcrops are common. Oak hickory forests grow in the ravines and on the north and east-facing slopes. Hill prairies, caves, and sinkholes are also found here. This area contains both glaciated and unglaciated land. The Southern Till Plain Division is a large, relatively flat area in south-central Illinois. This area was covered by an ancient glacier. The streams in the area were important for draining the meltwaters of later glaciations. The clay soils support a mixture of forests and prairies. The Wabash Border Division includes the bottomlands and associated upland forests of the Wabash River and its tributaries, the Vermilion and Little